I'm Hetty Brown. I'm the Executive Director of Couleecap. Couleecap has been a leader in energy and weatherization services since the 70s. As an agency that provides services to low to moderate income households, we're always looking for ways to improve weatherization services and look for new technologies that can be integrated into our programs to further improve benefits to our clients. There have been so many improvements made in energy conservation. By taking solar and air source heating and cooling pumps and integrating them into weatherization programs, we can further reduce energy poverty and improve energy equity in our community. We're partnering with the state of Wisconsin to implement this project as a pilot initiative. Data collected from this project will be used to inform state weatherization plan so that what we're learning locally can be shared statewide.
My name is Randy Blankenship. I've lived here for 4 years. I work for UWL here in La Crosse. This project here for this affordable housing will be a big help for me because my electric bill in the summer is usually about $120 to $150. In the wintertime it runs close to $300 a month. This project is going to help us in the long run to keep our energy bills down and to keep us in a better and more stable environment.
Hi, my name is Shane. I'm a journeyman electrician with Ethos Green Power Cooperative out of Viroqua, Wisconsin. Been with the company for about 5 years now. Originally I started as an install technician, installing panels, building racking, etc. After that I started getting more involved in electrical work and decided to pursue my licensing with the state. So that's been a really great advancement in my career personally. This project here with Couleecap is kind of a first time for us. We haven't really worked on any multifamily housing projects before, and this one to me is particularly exciting because oftentimes solar energy can be a little bit inaccessible to people with lower incomes. So something like this happening is really great because we can bring solar energy a bit more energy independence, lower some utility bills for people who otherwise could not afford to install these systems. So that's been really exciting. Our partners have been really amazing. Couleecap and Solar for Good, Focus on Energy, all these organizations, it's been really great working with them to pull this together.
Hi, I'm Sam Denisky. I'm the Deputy Director with Renew Wisconsin, and Renew Wisconsin administers the Solar for Good program on behalf of the Couillard Solar Foundation. What we do is we issue solar panels and monetary grants to help nonprofits with some of the upfront costs of going solar. We've helped over 130 organizations at this point, installing more than 4 megawatts of renewable energy across the state of Wisconsin. And we're really excited to see this project come to fruition because not only is it helping Couleecap curb some of their carbon offsets, but it's also going to help the residents of this community as well with some of their utility bills. So we're really excited to see not only the solar, but all the other clean energy components that are incorporated into this system.
Hi, my name is Jackie Harrison Jewell. I'm the Executive Director of the Couillard Solar Foundation. We are a Wisconsin-based 501c3 nonprofit, and our mission is to help other Wisconsin nonprofits gain access to solar. We do this through the Solar for Good grant program, where we donate up to half of the solar panels that a nonprofit needs to put solar array on their property. We are so excited to be here for the Couleecap project here in La Crosse. This is something that's near and dear to our heart. It is a project that helps underserved populations have the access to renewable energy that everyone deserves.
Hi, I'm Lori Couillard of the Couillard Solar Foundation, and I'm delighted to be here to help celebrate the Couleecap buildings getting their solar and their heat pumps. My husband and I have donated money to the Solar for Good program that puts the panels on, as well as the Solar on Schools program. Both of those projects are run by Renew Wisconsin of Madison and the Midwest Renewable Energy Association in Custer. So we're hoping to continue to do more solar projects in the state of Wisconsin. Thank you.